Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can add multiple Google Gmail account in your Lava smartphone. So let's start friends. Friends, if you have one Gmail or two Gmail, how you can add multiple? So friends, you have to go to the Gmail app first. Here it is. You can just add it from here. You can see add another account, and this is one Gmail ID that is added. So you have to click on the Gmail, click on Google, or you have any other like Yahoo or another. Just you have to use your pattern. Then friends, you have to tap on here in the checking info. It will check your information, then it will ask you to enter your Gmail ID. Friends, here you have to write your Gmail ID, like I am writing this, my own. And then friends, you have to tap on next. To sign in, you have to enter your password. Then friends, after writing your password, you have to press on the next button. And friends, you have to press on not now, and then click on yes, I am in, or you can just skip it. I agree. And friends, you can see the second Gmail ID is added successfully. And now you can see here are two Gmail ID. This is one and this is second. I have added yet, and you can add multiple Gmail ID by clicking on add another account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.